Let me show you how to create this text portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Go to Filter, choose Blur and Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 10 and then press OK. Go to File and choose Save As. Save it as map and then press OK. I have already done it. Now delete this blur layer. We do not need it anymore. Drag your text image to Photoshop. You can write your own text and do the same thing. Adjust it accordingly and then press Enter. Now go to Filter. Distort and choose Displace. Set the horizontal and vertical scale to 10 and then press OK. Choose the map file and press Open. Go to Layer Style and choose Solid Color. Choose Black Color and then press OK. Drag this image layer on top of the layer. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Hold Alt and click here to create an inverted mask. Now choose the brush tool. Choose the soft round brush, set the flow to around 30%. Make sure you set the foreground color to white. And follow this process. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.